Well, one of the best benefits really is the consistency, where you can set the machine going and you know it's always going to run consistently. The employee can move to one side and you can start setting up another machine. So it's more about efficiency and consistency. My name's Anthony, I'm otherwise known as Tony. I work at BA Click in Rotherham. In my experience, what I've found with the Cobots moving forward has been the reliability and the accuracy and also the safety of what it can achieve now. The robots can work at a pace as slow as you want, and also you can walk past it. It's really great from a safety and efficiency point of view.
BA first got in touch with us to see if we could help them increase their efficiencies and profitability by ways of automation. We've implemented some flexible CoboTends and some fixed CoboTowers across both sites, and already since last summer we've seen these produce over 100,000 panels. Automation is a valuable investment for UK manufacturers such as BA to enable them to compete on a global stage.
We picked Cobots to work with, and found Matthew and his team, particularly Callum, the local engineer who installed all these machines, really great to work with, positive, contactable in time, and it really helped us getting through all the small problems that you always encounter when you first install something. But no, it's been great.